And today I'm going to make a new cushion, something quite simple. I just want something with love on it because I've got a rose gold iron-on fabric to use. I bought my cushion from IKEA, £1.75 for a simple grey woven cushion. It's a great opportunity to have a play about and see what I can create. I want something with love on it like this, so I'm going to insert that image, but I just want to edit it slightly. So first of all, I'm going to make all my colours black so that I'm working from the same, because I want to cut the same colour. I'm going to unlock it because I want to change the shape of my heart to more like that. And then what I want to do is just add a bit of detail. So I think I'm going to put a word on the side. I'm just going to put U on the side. Choose some text. I don't know if you do it something quite square. Love you. I'm going to group it together. I think I'm happy with the size. Maybe make that tiny bit smaller. I want it to look like it's just a tag. Like that. Perfect. Highlight it and group it. I'm going to weld it so it all sticks together. So that's now welded. And I've got my Love You cushion. Now, when you print on iron-on, you've got to make sure that you mirror image it, because otherwise it won't cut. Or it will cut, but it will cut backwards. Just going to definitely make sure I'm happy with my size. Yes, I think I'm going for about 11. So, Love You. Now I'm going to turn my Cricut on. I'm going to use the rose gold vinyl, iron-on vinyl. I need to cut my vinyl to 11 by 10. So when you place your vinyl on your Cricut mat, you place it upside down, so the shiny side, or in my case, the rose gold side down, and then press make it. And what is really important is that you mirror it. So because it's welded, it will all stay together. And it's going to cut it upside down so that when I transfer it onto my cushion, it will be the right way round. So continue. Select device. And then choose your material. Oh, there you go, iron-on. So I'm going to choose iron-on. I've got my fine point blade in. I can just press cut. And here you can see we've just finished, but it's cut it on the reverse. So now, take it out. I'm ready to iron on. So I've got my cushion zip side down on the table with a cloth underneath it. So I've started to weed out my heart, taking the edge off. And now I'm going to start weeding out the letters. So taking care when taking it off of these letters. So I've got my U there, peeling it off. And then just going through and weeding the rest of the project. So I'll start with my E here. Should be able to peel it off. Take those bits off, and then there it is, ready to iron. The best thing is the Cricut Easy Press. It's amazing. You just put it over and you set it and you just leave it for so long. All the instructions are there, it times it, and it's amazing. But I haven't got the Easy Press. That's on my list of things I need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to iron it on with an iron. So before you iron your project, just warm up the area that you're going to add it. Because it's a heat bonding product, that just helps. So quickly, then I will put my project on, make sure I'm happy with my placement in the centre. The zips at the bottom, cover it with a fabric and then put the iron on. So you don't rub the iron, you press it, which is why the easy press is actually quite a good investment, because you just follow the instructions, press it down. And it's quite important to press because you want to bond it. If you leave your project to just cool down a bit, because it's heat transfer, it needs to cool down, then you can start peeling it off. And you can see when you peel it off. See if I can peel some. Also a good idea to press the back, just to make sure that you're reinforcing the process. And there you go. There we go. It's reflective, but it's because it's shiny, but I just love it. It's just so pretty. Absolutely thrilled with that.